Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to install Windows 11 Lite step by step, and I will also give you a quick review of how it actually performs as compared to the regular Windows 11. So Windows 11 Lite is a lightweight version of Windows that is made for the older and the low-end PCs. It is going to remove any kind of heavy system apps, background services and animations so that it runs smoother and faster. So install it. You first of all need to back up your original files. Then you need to create a bootable USB drive using the tools like Rufus or Balena Ether. Then you can select the Windows 11 Lite ISO file and you need to plug in the USB. Then you need to restart your PC and press the boot key and choose the USB drive to start the setup. Now once the installer open, you need to open or follow the same steps that you normally do while installing any of the Windows. Now it is going to take around 10 to 15 minutes, and after restarting you will be able to boot into the Windows 11 Lite. Now, if I give you the quick review of the Windows 11 Lite, I would say that the system uses less RAM and GPU, which means faster startup and smoother multitasking. It is also great for school, office, and basic gaming PCs. You will still get the same clean Windows 11 look, but with more speed and less lag. So that's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.